He goes, man, I don't have the staff to send somebody your way. He goes, hold on, just a second. Okay, there's a really well-known mechanic, and he's just here chit-chatting with us, and he's going to bring the parts over to you right now and take a look.
So, wait, babe, whose vehicle is this?
So, this is Greg's truck.
Who's Greg?
Greg is a gentleman who stopped in Kansas to help us when our Subaru broke down. And he offered to load the Subaru on his flatbed, and then proceeded to offer his truck to us to get us out here to Colorado. So,
and we're an hour away from the event site, and what happened?
And the old belt came off, the serpentine belt.
I mean, it's brand new.
Perfect condition. It's brand new, and just popped off, and the truck overheated in less than a mile. Lost power steering.
So yeah, it's been a day. Are we meant to go to this event?
I don't know. Maybe we should turn back or just go elk hunt. I've got my bow with me.
That's actually a really good idea.
If we didn't have to fork over potentially thousands of dollars for our Subaru, we would probably just do that.
That can be an option, though. We either go pay for our Subaru or we go hunting.
Just call it a loss on the Subaru and then go elk hunting.
You better get it out.
Sorry.
Needless to say, it's been a day. Right?
Well, it's been a day.
Oh, also, there was a kind lady who stopped who lives down the street who was going to take us to O'Reilly.
That is so nice.
We've been super blessed with awesome people and just the work of the Lord, and we'll let you know when we get to the event, whenever that is.
Easy, man. That's my wife.
Thank you. And you have an bandana color one after all. So guys, we're gonna start with the van team in about 10 minutes for the first look, all right?
Action.
Oh man. Look at this thing. Guys, I think we already won.